Okay, so I got this new grinder, the STX Turboforce 3000, and I looked for a bunch of reviews online and I couldn't find a good video review of it, so I'm going to do a quick review and just show you some of the things that come with it. Here's the auger and the end thinger. I ordered this separate so I can stuff sausage. Here's the 3 grinding plates with the blades that come with them. There's that dilly, and then the sausage plates. I've used this a couple times already, and so far I'm liking what I see. It's very powerful, grinds meat quickly. It's pretty big. I'll just show you how it goes together here. Just unscrew this screw here.
Oh, it's off.
And anyways, that's what it looks like inside. There's the tray, so I'll put it together for you guys. See, there's 2 little notches here. You just stick it in, tighten this. Stick that up there. The auger has a little notch. Put it in here until you can feel it go in the notch like that. I'm just going to be doing 1 grind with this coarse plate. Or, I don't know, it's the bigger, it's not the coarsest one, but it's the bigger one. The blade goes this way, and it's got a square. Stick that in there. Put the grinding plate in there, and it doesn't go tight. You can see there's a gap right there. That's how it's supposed to be. Just screw the collar on. Like that. And there we go.
So it videoed that too.
Okay, so what I've got here is just some country style pork ribs. Just bought them at the supermarket. They're already cut up into strips, about like that. I'm not going to cut them up any more than that. They've been in the freezer for about 20 minutes, but they're still pretty soft. So we'll just see how it does. I'm just going to stick them all up here and let her rip.
Let's do this.
Plug it in. So as you can see, it goes through pretty easy. It bogs down a little bit. But, that's probably because they weren't cut up at all. I'm just going to put a piece of bread through it real quick to help get that little last bit of meat out.
That was disgusting.
Okay, I found my plunger. Totally forgot about that. There's the thing it comes with. Alrighty. So it's pretty fast. You can see the bread there. I'll show you how it comes apart, I guess. Unplug it. Just grab this little thing, get behind the notches there and pull that out. Pull the blade out. And there's the bread.
Nasty.
So far this has been a nice machine. It grinds pretty quick. I think if the pork was cut up into smaller pieces, it wouldn't bog down as much, but I'm just going to use it like it is, like that. Just stick them in whole, and hopefully it'll keep on going for many years to come. So anyways, thanks for watching. Okay, so I got this new grinder, the STX Turboforce 3000, and I looked for a bunch of reviews online and I couldn't find a good video review of it, so I'm going to do a quick review and just show you some of the things that come with it. Here's the auger and the end thinger. I ordered this separate so I can stuff sausage. Here's the 3 grinding plates with the blades that come with them.